Alluring Locks by Gabor in the color Fiery Copper. Alluring Locks is just one of those wigs. It's what you see is what you get, and as soon as you get it, it's everything you want it to be. It's so pretty. It's just a little bit longer than mid-length, just goes past my shoulders with my measurements. It has got layers, it has got curl, it has full monofilament top, lace front, comfortable cap, heat-friendly hair fibers, very natural looking hair fibers. They're on the dry side. It just has everything. It's so pretty. Alluring Locks is part of Gabor's luxury collection. And with this luxury collection, you get heat-friendly hair fibers, and you also get the same line of hair colors that they did for Raquel Welch. So you get Fiery Copper. It's very pretty. The Fiery Copper with Raquel Welch, I've only had one other time. The style that I got it on, it was a cool red, and that does not go with my skin color very well. So I have tended to stay away from Fiery Copper with Raquel Welch. On this Gabor luxury collection, this looks warmed up to me. I feel comfortable in this. There is a good amount of golden blonde streaked throughout. You still get that same cinnamon and the deep ruby colors. And if you are a fan of Fiery Copper with Raquel Welch, there is still very much those deep red tones. Feel like for me, it's warmed up more. I feel very comfortable in this. I'm so glad I tried it because, I tend to do the Shaded Ice Pumpkin Spice or the Golden Russet, and I am probably going to get those colors as well because I love this style, but I'm really glad that I tried this Fiery Copper and I could bring it to my channel again, because if you stayed away from it, I'm here to tell you, this feels warmed up and not so purpley, cool red colors. Let's talk about these hair fibers and Permatease. The hair fibers are on the dry side. They look very natural. I would say they're medium to fine and denier. There is a lot of hair on this wig. Doesn't feel heavy because of the layering, but there is a good amount of hair on this. There is Permatease. There's a decent amount right here. As soon as your hand slides up through your wig, you feel it. It's in the back too, not a ton. Anywhere where there's not monofilament, you're gonna feel Permatease. It helps hold the shape, hold the style, beautifully done. I adore this style. It also, because of these hair fibers and the layering, it makes styling very easy, and you can get volume just by using these layers, working the layers against the hair fiber, because they've got some texture, some grip. Or if you don't like volume, you just comb it down and you can have a more low profile style as well. But I love this volume. Let's talk about this cap. Gabor caps fit me very well. I have a 22.5-inch circumference head. This wig is no different. It's a very comfortable cap. Let's take a look at it. Like I said, you're gonna get that full monofilament top. Lace front extends back to the ear tabs. You're gonna get that soft covered ear tab with a metal stay, soft extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and then otherwise machine sewn wefts. You can see how close these wefts are sewn together. There's a lot of hair on this wig. You can also look closely and see the crimped hair. That's Permatease. Lots of good stretch. Gabor makes a good cap. I just never have any complaints. I don't need to wear a wig grip. I have one on today for the sake of doing this review, but I don't need one. These just pop on, grab onto my head, and it's just so comfortable, so stretchy. It's nice and light. Gabor makes a good quality cap. You can definitely, I'm having to hold on to it because there is a lot of hair, and then the curl, it wants to grab onto each other. I guess it doesn't, it's not moving off my forehead, but I have a tendency to just grab it and do that. Moves very nicely around the cap. I mean, this is some beautiful hair. When I curl my human hair wigs, this is what I'm going for. Rarely does that happen, but this is always what I'm aiming for. It's a good one. Okay, so I've talked about the cap, the color, the hair fibers, and the Permatease. I'll put the measurements on the screen. My overall thoughts about Alluring Locks, I love it. I will buy this in multiple colors. I will want backups. This is a beautiful wig. You could do updos if that's your thing. It's just so pretty. It's not so thick and has so much Permatease that you can't tuck it behind your ears. You very easily can tuck this behind your ears. You could do the, you know, it has the lace front, so you could just pull the front back or do the half up, half down, and with all these curls. I mean, it's just gonna look cute no matter what you do. I mean, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous wig. I love it. Okay, this was sent to me by Name Brand Wigs. I'm gonna drop the link down below. You can go right to their website. I do have a code with them. It's WearWigs30. You can use that at any time. You can get 30% off of this. So you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, do a little chit chat down in the comments, and let me know what you think about Alluring Locks. If you have it, tell us more about it. Have you washed it? Have you applied heat to it? How are these fibers holding up? We want to hear from you. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Just saw me do the unboxing for Alluring Locks by Gabor in the color Fiery Copper. This is part of Gabor's luxury line and heat-friendly hair fibers. First things first, let's get rid of this tag. I'm not gonna give this one a vigorous shake. I am just gonna kind of bounce it, shake it, just loosen everything up. It's been in a box, it's been through shipping. And if you watch that unboxing, you see that this has a little monofilament top. It doesn't go all the way back, but you've got some really good parting area. I mean, you've got a lot of parting area. You've really got the whole top of your head. So you can part this in the middle or to each side. I don't want to comb through this yet because I'm not ready to give up this look. Now, eventually, I think just by running my hands through it, this is a very natural curly hair curl pattern. And you can tell just by me flipping the part, I gave that top some volume because it was set to go more this way. Very pretty, but you can also do it more down the middle. Again, using my phone as a mirror. Gabor makes a very comfortable cap. I never have any issues with Gabor caps. Love them. These hair fibers are soft and silky. You can see how easily they're manipulating. Very nice. Not too thick. You can get a good ear tuck. Just a little bit longer than mid-length. Just comes just past my shoulders. Fiery Copper is really pretty red blend. I've got a nice rainy overcast day. I don't know why we're getting a glare like that. Let me see if I can do anything. Let's drop the... See, you've got golden streaks in it. You've got those deep ruby, dark red. You've got cinnamon. You've got lighter red in it. It's a really pretty blend of colors, but all their shades of red make this really pretty red shade. So just overall, it's their darker red color. I mean, that's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna wear this for a couple weeks and then I'll do my full review. I'm sure you'll be seeing it because this is gorgeous.